I'm sorry.
Yo, this is the second time he looked at you like that. Say hello.
Hello. Hello, good people.
Hi, good people. The bathroom and the light is pretty yellow, so that's a thing. But hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me clean the lens. You guys been asking for vlogs, so we are in Colorado. We just landed in Colorado last night. That's why I'm just now starting to vlog. We literally landed at like 11 o'clock p.m. and then we went and picked up our rental car and we went and got some food, some canes, and then we literally came back to the hotel and went to sleep. So the vlog is starting now. I just woke up at 7:30 a.m. Like I said, we're in Colorado. We were supposed to binge vlog this trip, but we canceled it because we wanted to make sure we were fully vaccinated for COVID, and we are. So now we're on our trip. I keep looking at the viewfinder, sorry. I literally just woke up. Like, I'm freaking exhausted. Courtney's here. She's about to iron her clothes. I'm about to pick out my clothes and get in the shower. Good thing about vacation is you bring a select amount of clothes, so all I have to do is pick out one of my 3 outfits. You guys excited to see Courtney on the vlogs and us? Because we haven't vlogged in so long. We're staying at this hotel called, what's it called?
The Wingate.
Wingate. We could just look up. And then I was like, baby, I looked across the thing because we got to go to a dispensary because we're about to go make our own pipes. Like make our own weed pipes, and then they say you can smoke out of them after we make them. And I was like, looking across, I was like, wouldn't it be cool if that place right there was a dispensary because it says live well? She looked up dispensaries near us. It's a dispensary across from the hotel. So we're about to go to the dispensary and we're about to go and get some weed. We're excited. So we just took some hydroxine. Let me see. One of my subscribers, if you know who you are.
Watch Sirius XM video.
One of my subscribers is a what's it called? A pharmacist. So she always told me about the drugs I'm taking because I always mention the drugs I take because I have anxiety. So they gave us something called hydroxine. HCl 25 milligrams is take every 6 hours for anxiety, and I have my own anxiety pill, but I just take these because it's a histamine blocker, so it blocks the hormone. But Courtney, she doesn't smoke, she gets really anxious, so she took one too, and she said when she took it, it completely calmed her down because she was having a freak out when I gave her one. And so she took one, we both took one, so we won't get anxious when we smoke today. We're probably gonna be really high today, but we're ready. Watermelon sugar high. We're making our pipes. We already went to the weed store, but I didn't get the vlog because we had to rush over here. We were 15 minutes late. But we got a bunch of weed stuff we're gonna show you later. We're about to make our pipes.
It's so quiet out here. I love it. This is my new spot.
Anywho, so we just got out the place making our pipes. Super exciting. I'm gonna show you guys my pipe up close. This is what my pipe looks like. Made it from scratch. It's so nice. I'm trying to get, it's a piece of weed in there that's just hanging around, but because we smoked them. But yes, Mr. Fantastic, simply fun. I love
That
this.
shit is so cool.
Courtney made hers. This is what it looked like.
It made me think about Colorado. You gotta let it focus.
Just focus on your face.
Because I'm a shit.
This is Courtney's pipe that she made.
Yeah.
Mind you, Courtney don't even really. Oh, and they let us engrave the back with a laser. So Courtney got Pickle Rick, and I got Invader Zim.
It's so cool.
Can you tap that again?
Yeah, I wish mine was like that. It's so cool. I feel like the camera don't do it justice.
Yeah, it's Invader Zim.
It's so raw, y'all.
Okay, guys, so we went to the dispensary. I left the camera in the car, so we took a long ass nap. I got on my Nike sweatsuit now. Courtney didn't change a little bit, but went to one more dispensary and got a bunch more stuff. So I'm gonna give you guys a haul. I don't know if YouTube is gonna be like demonetizing me for putting weed on YouTube, but I'm okay if they demonetize this video, because I want to be open with you guys.
No, because you can put your location as Colorado, and you can put like a thing.
It's still,
you can put a thing up there.
We're in this place called Creek Park or something like that.
State. Cherry State.
Creek. Oh, we gotta go past people. I don't know. But it's the same day. Still same day. We just took a nap because we had smoked a joint that knocked us on our ass.
Oh, it's reservations only.
What you mean?
I think it's a
Ask her.
How you doing? I just saw it's reservations only.
Oh, you can. That's only for camping.
Oh, okay, cool. So what do I need? This is
just $11 day pass.
okay. Cool. I don't have a pass.
Oh, I get you.
Oh, okay, cool.
$11.
I'm like, I don't have a pass. I can't get in.
It's okay.
Okay, thank you.
I don't think we can smoke in here. I'm so excited.
All right, you guys have a great time.
All right, thank you.
This should be a smoking park. They should have a smoking park in Colorado. So I looked in Colorado. They basically said in Colorado, even though smoking is legal, you can only do it in your home. But we still smoked outside because who gonna check me? The cops. We're gonna find somewhere nice in the park to hang out, and hopefully we can just get away from everybody and find a really good secluded spot and get high and smoke our weeds. But I'm kind of nervous because I don't want to create a forest fire. Only you can create forest fires. So nice. So nice. We're just like driving around trying to find somewhere to hang out. We got day passes. So cool. So we came out here. We just got out of the car to come to over to the water areas. So much water. But look, this tree fell over however long ago, and it looks so cool. It's kind of scary up close. It's actually the same height as me. Like just my head will be right at that. Yes. Okay. But it's so cool. This is what a tree looks like underneath. This is pretty cool. I thought that was cool. I'm really glad that we didn't smoke yet because I feel like that would freak me out. It's kind of freaking me out now. Like when I started walking up on it, getting close, I kind of got like really scared. I was like, oh my God, it looks freaky. But it's cool. What you doing?
Nothing. Just chilling.
Want to find a deep place to walk to?
Yeah, sure. It's good. That's that GMO cookies. They said that shit an indica.
Me. I took a nap. I took a nap here.
Thick green smoke.
Thick green. So we just walked in. I smoked. I feel fantastic. Courtney smoked too. Wow. Courtney smoked too. And now she has the munchies. And she told my son, can't we go eat? Me, I'm like, I want to walk around for another hour. Courtney's like, I'm hungry.
No, I never said.
She didn't say it like that. She said, I'm hungry. Can we go eat? I'm like, no. But we gonna go eat. It's fine. This is a fantastic place. I'm having a great time. Yo, my hair getting long, boy.
What?
Huh?
What?
It's getting long, boy. Oh, I was just about to show them your hair, but never mind.
I'm just playing. Wait.
Nah.
No, I'm just joking.
Exactly. Thirsty ass.
Exactly.
Look at Courtney hair. Bald-headed.
Long shit. That's what you said?
It's just so long as shit. Courtney doesn't smoke because it gives her anxiety. So she started smoking. And she feels great. She said she loves this weed. It feels pure. What else did you say?
I don't know. It's just not heavy.
Yeah.
Like it's really light and airy.
It don't feel like Reggie. Cause now that I've had
like,
this weed, I feel like
weed is just
Chicago weed feel like everything in Chicago that I've smoked feel like Reggie to me now that I've had this weed. Like this is the type of thing that'll make me literally smoke weed only on occasion when I travel. Cause now I feel like I'm poisoning myself when I'm back home now.
I'm fucking hollering.
For real. Good morning, guys. It's the next day. Courtney's right here eating her what is it? Barbecue stuff. So yeah, yesterday I didn't get a lot of vlog footage because I kept leaving the camera in the car. Today we're gonna do better. But I wanted to give you guys a really quick haul of the stuff that we got yesterday. But what we did yesterday, I did actually get some good footage. What am I talking about? I got a lot of footage on my phone, so I felt like I wasn't using the camera. So in my mind, it's like I didn't do much, but I actually did. I'm hoping I can get the footage off my phone to get it on the vlog because I've never done that before. I'm still trying to do that, so.
You just gotta look at the YouTube video.
yeah, I'm just, right now I just downloaded everything in Dropbox. So it doesn't matter. You guys are already watching it, so I shouldn't be telling you this. I'm gonna give you guys a quick haul of all the weed stuff that we got yesterday. So we got some edibles. These are the Ripple brand. They had them buy one, get one free. And it's 20 gummies, 5 milligrams of THC each. And the total thing equals up to 100 milligrams. So we got these, buy one, get one free. We got 2 more, but this one is THC and this one is CBD. The other 2 are THC. CBD is for Courtney, even though I've been eating them. Then we got the Ripple brand. There's like these little, I don't know how to open it, so if you use this stuff, this is how I've been opening it. I've been pushing the top forward and using it to pop it off. But I think they're supposed to come out this hole, but whatever. But it's like these little packets, and they say it doesn't taste like anything, and it doesn't, because yesterday I put it in my water, and you can basically put this on anything and make it edible, including water. I put it in my water yesterday, and it made my water literally tasted completely like water. But the only thing is, it was like foggy water, but it still tasted like water. Then we got the weed oil. This is stuff you can put underneath your tongue and then you can just be high. Then she got Top Shelf Wedding Cake. This is an 1/8. And then King Stash. This is an 1/8 too. And then we got 3 of these, but the other one's over there because we opened it to smoke yesterday. But this is 3/8. We got 3 of these 1/8. And they were $20 each for these, so this is lit. Then she got more Top Shelf stuff. This was cool. I don't know what I thought this was because I don't read things when I see them. I just like open them. And when I first saw this, I'm like, okay, this isn't weed. What is it? Maybe it's like a THC bomb or something for her. It is weed. It's nice weed in there. GMO cookies. It smells amazing, but it's weed in here, so this is exciting. I can't wait to keep this. And then we got a gram, not a whole 1/8. It's a gram of 4 different types of weed in each of these, because we just wanted to try it, like something you could put in a bowl real quick, but it's a gram each. And then this is, what is it? Willie's Reserve. We got 2 of these and it came with 2 half-gram. It's a total of 1 gram, but it came with 2 half-gram joints in here. The last thing we got is a pen because I wanted to smoke while we were in the hotel, and of course I can't just roll up a joint in the hotel and smoke. So this pen allows me to smoke indoors because it doesn't have a smell. And it's a weed oil pen, so we got one of these for the just for being in the hotel for me. Yesterday was so fun. Yesterday when we went to that like nature place we were at, I want to go back there. That was such a good time. Today we're going to see alpacas at 1 o'clock. Cannot wait. I'm super excited about the alpacas. So we're gonna go see alpacas from 1 till 2:30. It's an hour and a half for alpacas, and that's pretty much it. So it's early though. We've been getting up pretty early. It's like 8:42. Look at this huge rock. The camera does nothing justice. Courtney's like, pull out the camera, you gotta vlog this. And I'm like, this camera is not showing y'all what I'm seeing. Like, this stuff looks like you're at Disneyland about to go into the Jurassic Park thing, but it's real. Yeah, this guy right here is giving the tour. We're gonna follow him. I just hope this ain't like no shit like in the hills. The hills have eyes. I didn't even look at the other cars to see if we the only black people going. We should have brought our taser. I will bite the fuck out of somebody. I don't care. I will straight gnaw on somebody's bone. Ankle bone, wrist bone. I will gnaw.